Good morning. We're back on the streets. I've been away for about 2 weeks because I was not feeling well. But now I'm back. Well, for those who are new in this channel, the name of the channel is Hajways. And today I brought you to this area here, which is Whitefield. Right now I'm in between Whitefield and Prestwich. And we are here by the shopping center. We have the supermarket and some eateries down there. There's McDonald's and some, a whole lot of businesses around here. So we're going to explore the area and see what this area has to offer. It's really an adventure because I've only passed by here once driving. I found it to be a beautiful place and wanted to share this with you. So come and join me on this adventure as we discover what this area has to offer. So it's going to be a bit noisy because there's a lot of traffic, but I'm going to have a look and see what this other end has got that we can see, and then I'm going to turn around and go all the way up there. Okay, so this is the shopping center here, and that's how it looks like. We have an Aldi supermarket and there's a McDonald's down here. So if you're a golf lover, this is the Whitefield Golf Club, and this is a place where you can come and practice your sport. It's beautiful. I believe it's a private club, so we might not be able to go inside. So I'm just going to show you just an overview of this area. Beautiful buildings as well, and then we can continue exploring the area. Beautiful. So this town is not very far away from the Manchester city centre. I would say it's approximately about 20 minutes. Wow, look at that. Yeah, so I was saying that it is not very far away from Manchester, so it would be a practical neighborhood to live in if you're working in Manchester. But anyways, many people nowadays work from home, what we call the hybrid working sort of arrangement. So yeah, this looks like as I said, my first impression is that it looks like a very nice neighborhood to live in. And this, what we were seeing before, is called the Phillips Park. And that hall there, I don't know what it is, but it's there are suites where you can hold weddings, conferences, and any type of functions. So yeah, that is it. Yeah, and then they have created. Sorry, it's very noisy here because it's a major road here in Whitefield, and there's a lot of traffic. So I believe at some point you might not hear me very well, but we do have a cricket club on this side. That's what I wanted to mention. And then down at the far end, we went to look for a way to get in there. There's a beautiful church building, I believe it is. Right there, if you can see it at the far end. So we're going to try and see if we can get there somehow. I'm going to try and see if I can cross at some point. I think there will be a place up there. So let's continue. So if this is your first time, let me turn around the camera. If this is your first time here, the channel goes by the name of Hatchways, and please support by way of liking the videos, sharing them with friends and family, and don't forget to drop a comment, and just mention a few words if you enjoyed the video. Beautiful area. It's been very cold for the last couple of days, but the sun is here. I don't know for how long, and it's always nice when you're walking with the streets. At least you can enjoy some sunshine, and it's always easier to record when there's some sunshine as well. So yeah, nice. So yes, I believe that was a church, and this is the cemetery here in Whitefield. the parish church of All Saints stand. So let's see if we can walk closer to the church and have a look at it from a shorter distance. Wow, it's a beautiful place of worship, and according to what I've seen on the signboards outside, it still operates. Because I remember I've seen some few churches around here which have been not here in Whitefield, but in Manchester, that have been abandoned. So yeah, this one looks like it does operate, and their mass services, I think it was said every day from 10 a.m. But as I said, over and above, this is a very beautiful neighborhood. Very, very beautiful. And the fact that it's let me turn around the camera again, the fact that it is complete with all these places, like the amenities, I'll call them. You have places of worship, but also you have schools, these sports centers. We've seen a cricket club, sorry for the pronunciation, and then we've also seen the golf course within the neighborhood. So yeah, very practical. And transport wise, you can take buses which will bring you to the town of Manchester in about 20-30 minutes, as I said, depending on traffic. So very good location. Yeah, so I think this is a good place for me to get a cute thumbnail. What do you think? Yeah, for our video. So just allow me to do this, and then we can continue. Yeah, as I said, I like using my phone for my thumbnails because I think it gives me better pictures. Yep, so I've taken a few shots, and I think at least one of them should serve the purpose. So yeah, we can now continue to end this video, which I'm going to call part 1 of Whitefield. So it's been a pleasure. For those who have accompanied me to this end, I wholeheartedly would love to thank you. in this adventure of ours today here in this unknown neighborhood to me, and a beautiful discovery. Don't forget that the channel goes by the name of Hajways. Give the video a like, share it with friends and family, and don't forget to come back to part 2, which will come out straight after this part 1. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did, and let's continue with the adventure spirit here in Manchester, and hopefully in other cities pretty soon. Thank you.